losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Is it me, am I deluded? I'm the one who's always...
Welcome to episode 14 of Dance Simplified. Today we'll learn to do the JamesBrown dance. Start with making an opposite V shape with your feet. Boom. Make sure your knees are slightly bent. From here, twist your right foot using your heel. Boom. Bring your left foot behind the right foot. Boom. Now let's do those steps together. First, make an opposite V shape and boom. Let's do it again. 1. From here, you are going to come back to the same position. 2. And now twist your left foot and bring the right foot behind it simultaneously. 3. And then come back to the same position. 4. Now repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed up a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's add your hands in this step. When your feet is in an opposite V shape, make a fist and place it like this. Boom. When you twist your right foot, lift both of your hands to the right. 1. When you come back, lower your hands to the same position. 2. And now lift them up to the left side when you twist your left foot. 3. And come back. 4. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can add any variations you want. You can do single, double in your footwork. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can cross and open your hands with your footwork. Open your arms like this when you're doing opposite V shape. Boom. And just to cross and open in every count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do it with the music.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting, thinking, was it me, is it me, am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more beginner hip hop moves, please click here. Keep learning, keep dancing.